And then section 72 for break of confidentiality and privacy.
Yeah.
It provides imprisonment up to 2 years or with fine, which may extend to 1 lakh rupees or with both. Section 73 talks about for publishing digital signature certificate false in certain particulars, punishment up to 2 years and 1 lakh rupees fine. And then 74, publication of digital signature for any fraudulent or unlawful purpose, imprisonment up to 2 years. Section 76, any computer system, floppies, compact discs, tape drives or any other accessories related thereto used for contravention of this act, rules, orders, regulation made thereunder, they are liable to be confiscated. So this is the regime which has been created by under the Information Technology Act. But remember, Information Technology Act was not passed to curb the cyber offences, cyber crimes. It was passed to facilitate e-governance, e-commerce, and basically, but even then, Parliament thought it better that to provide safety, security to this particular cyberspace, these things are needed, and they have amended the provisions of the IPC also, and some of the important provisions of the IPC, they are public servant framing an incorrect document or electronic record with an intent to cause injury, section 167. You see, you know, these are the offences which can be committed against or by a public servant. And then absconding to avoid service of summons, etc., to produce a document or electronic record in the court of justice, 172. Preventing services of summons, section 173. Fabricating false evidence. Again, you see, this is one area where there is a lot of scope of fabricating false. So again, it has been made a punishable offence, 192. Destruction of documents or electronic record. Again, you see, it's very easy. And you see, Arushi murder case, you have seen that what efforts were done by the forensic expert to retrieve the evidence which they destroyed. So, but you know, technological people, they say that whatever is there on the computer, it can't be destroyed. It can be retrieved. But the thing is, in what form they are doing the retrieval and how far this particular document will be able to prove. And the court will take it as a proved one. So again, it's an area where a lot of debate, discussions and research is needed. And then forgery, 463, making a false document or electronic record, 464, and the forgery of the record of court or public register, section 466. So these provisions,
I think Indian Penal Code amendments have taken a lot of care to incorporate the whatever the emerging cyber crimes and have amended the Indian Penal Code to facilitate that.
You see, all the sections 466, 469, 470, which is on the monitor, and 471, 474, 476, 477A. Parliament has made an attempt through IT Act just to bring the age-old law in consonance with the modern computer. You see, as I told you earlier, cybercrime is a species of conventional crime. These were the conventional crimes which were being committed in the past. Now, because of the technology, computer can facilitate, it can perpetuate the commission of these crimes. So, after making such an amendments, where the computer can be used as a tool. You see, where the computer is the target, punishment is under the IT Act. Where the computer is a tool, punishment was there, because it was a forgery is a conventional crime. Fabrication and record is a conventional crime. So it was there under the IPC. So they have amended the provisions accordingly, so as to fit this with the modern times. And I hope, you see, even today, the data which is available to us from NCRB, you see, it clearly reflects that more offences are committed, because why a person commit crime? To get money, property, Jar Joru Jameen, these were the three
Yes. But as people say, in the case of a computer crime, it's also reason is adventure.
You see, I have...
Now, in addition to the financial fraud crime, that's definitely a monetary aspect is there.
You see, hacking per se,
Yes. Is it?
under section 66
Yes.
of the IT Act is not punishable.
Punished.
Hacking is punishable when it has been done with the intention or knowledge
Oh.
to cause some damage or loss to another.
Yes.
You see,
Yes.
there are ethical hackers. You know, some 4 or 5 years before, one boy of Delhi,
Yeah.
he protected more than 80 websites
Yes.
from the hackers of the Pakistan. And he has also written a book, Unofficial Guide of the Ethical Hacking. And even the companies are employing ethical hackers. And some say that ethical hackers are serving the cause of the society, serving the cause of the country, serving the cause of the technology, by providing information that how the security system can be strengthened. But the thing is, there is a very thin line between ethical hacking and unethical hacking. When ethical hacking becomes unethical hacking, it is difficult to manage. And I think this is the most important area.
It's difficult to draw a line between these two.
Draw a line in between. And you see, when I discuss section 65, because section 65 talks about the protection of the source code, computer source code. Because you please put that section on the monitor, so you will see that this particular section, how it has been defined under the IT Act. It says tampering with computer source documents. Whoever knowingly or intentionally conceals, destroys or alters or intentionally or knowingly causes another to conceal, destroy or alter any computer source code used for a computer program, computer system or computer network, when the computer source code is required to be kept or maintained by law for the time being in force, shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 3 years or with fine which may extend up to 2 lakhs rupees or with both. It has also explained that for the purpose of this section, computer source code means the listing of programs, computer commands, design and layout, and program analysis of computer resource in any form. So, whosoever is tampering with the computer source code, and these things are there. You see, recently there is a very important case. I think Tata Indicom case 2005 CRLJ of Andhra Pradesh. It's a reported case. In this case, Tata Indicom staff was prosecuted for tampering with pre-programmed CDM, a digital handset belonging to the Reliance customers, and activating their network. The court held that the prima facie, when the ESN is altered, the offence under section 65 of the IT Act is attracted. And because every service provider has to maintain its own SID code and also gives the customer a specific number to each instrument, and therefore they take it as an offence under section 65. Similarly, one minister, again Bhim Singh Gaur versus State of Rajasthan, 2006, again it is a recently reported case, where in this case, on the basis of the interpolated CD, a scandalous news item was published, and it was published with the intention of stigmatizing the image of a minister. And afterwards,